How to save cam scanner file in file manager. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your file in file manager. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You can see I have this file. If I tap right here on this file and now tap right here on the three dots, and after that you will tap right here on save to gallery, and then you will be able to see that this file will be saved to the gallery. That means that this file will be transferred to the file manager. So let us open the file manager, and from there we can see that. So guys, you can see that at the very front this file will be come into my file manager. So this is how you can easily save your files in file manager. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.